Hey guys, it's Alex here at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. On today's episode of The Rundown, we're going to check out the brand new Springfield Hellcat Pro. Now let's take a look. The Hellcat Pro was released in March of 2022. Combining the performance of a large handgun with class-leading concealability and capacity, the new Hellcat Pro is a compact pistol chambered in 9mm, and you get two 15-round magazines. If you're in the market for a brand new concealed carry firearm, this is one you're going to want to definitely check out. Now, it is optics cut on the slide already with front and rear serrations. Now let's talk a little bit about the specs. Overall length, you're looking at 6.6 inches, height 4.8 inches, magazine capacity, two 15-round magazines, and an overall weight of only 21 ounces. If you're looking to carry it every day, this is going to be a great one. Again, with a width of only 1 inch and great grip texture, it's going to be comfortable to be able to carry every day. Enjoyed the rundown. Now, go to your local firearms dealer and check this one out locally. It's going to be a Glock 19 capacity, but in the same size as like a 365 XL. If there's more that you want us to review, just let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.